Hi friends, this is Rajarshi Rajashekar. I am a spiritual science teacher. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I want to share my spiritual journey. When I finished my MBA, I went to Hyderabad to search for jobs. At that time, I have so many fears about my life, about my career, so much of stress, how to survive. So, at the time, my friend introduced to me meditation. I met first time my Guruji, Brahmarshi Pitamaha Patriji. But I have no clue about spirituality, nothing else. So when I met first time, he said three words. If you have a time, do meditation. Otherwise, we will meet next birth. So I was confused. What is the next birth? I done my MBA, but I didn't hear this kind of things. So, because we don't know about spiritual subjects, Bhagavad Gita, one of the spiritual book, Bible, one of the spiritual book, and Quran also one of the spiritual book. In Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma says these words to Arjuna. Hey Arjun, Tasmat Yogi Bhava Arjuna, do meditation. He said to him. Why? Because I know my lifetimes and I also know about your lifetimes also, but you don't know about your lifetimes. So for that you must practice meditation. He said to Arjuna. Bahuni me veditani janmani tavacharjuna tanyaham veda sarvani nattam veda parantapa, in this sloka. And dhyanena atmani pashyanti. Only meditation can make from soul journey, soul progress from lower level to higher level, from baby soul to infinity soul, transcendental souls. So, in this journey, when I heard about this first word, if you have a time, you must practice meditation. Otherwise, we will be next birth time. If you don't have a time, so I didn't understand at that time. And second word, be a vegetarian. If you have a buddhi, you must eat only veg food, vegetarian food. Don't kill animals. He said these words. So I promised my friend at the time, yes, I have a buddhi. Yes, I have a. So why should I eat for my own sake of this body? I don't eat now onwards. Now I became a vegetarian at that time. I promised to my friend. So when I said these words, there is a great transformation and it's a great positive vibration in my entire body. And third word, do service to others. So from onwards, I practiced meditation more and more and more and more. So in earlier days, I got intuitions. First intuition was that take one time food only, because of sitting more time in meditation, just take one time food. So I implemented that. Then after 1 month, so actually I want to search for a new job. I have a doubt in my mind. So what kind of job I want to do? So books are the shortcut way for enlightenment. Actually, books are the messages from the hostile words also. So when I first got this book, Dhyana Jagat, it's a great spiritual book by Brahmarshi Pitaraj Pitamaha Patriji. So randomly I took one page. In that page, one student asked to Patriji, "Sir, what should I do, sir? Software job, hardware job?" And Guruji says these words to him: for those kind of jobs, so many people are there. There is a post from Krishna, Buddha, Jesus. Who should do this? These also jobs. Do this. He says these words to him. So I realized myself, yes, right from childhood I have this kind of kind-hearted, so service-oriented. So I decided that yes, I want to do this Buddha post, Jesus post, Krishna post. So for that reason, what should I do? I want to become a Buddha, but I want to know about this path, about spirituality, so many things. I done my MBA physical science, but I don't know about spiritual science. Spiritual science is the mother of all sciences. For that reason, I took 6 months. For physical science purpose, I took my time, 25 years, time, money, energy I spent. So spiritual science is the mother of all sciences. So I must take some time for that. So I took 5 years journey for that. So starting 6 months only meditation. I decided that. So I took one meditation center. I went there and I sit there every day in meditation. I'm keep on asking to every meditator there, "Sir, when did you come? Why did you come? What is the result after meditation?" These kind of questions. So many experience I listened at that time. So much of realization happens. So much of Swadhyaya, book reading. So many spiritual books, hundreds of books I read at that time. In this during 6 months times. One fine day, I sat in meditation 12 hours. Actually, I was planning for just 1 hour, 2 hours, but I don't know. Morning 6 to evening 6, 12 hours meditation happened at that time with full of awareness. The laughing Buddha state. I am happy inside. Atmananda sthiti, Brahmananda, state of Atmananda, Brahmananda. It's a greatest experience in my life. So I realized, yes, this is the happiness. This is the joy. This needs everyone. So I started teaching meditation to education departments, schools, colleges about meditation, vegetarianism, spiritual science. So I traveled entire India to teaching purpose and also learning purpose. So many classes I conducted in Chhattisgarh, Raipur, Rishikesh, Mumbai, Kolkata. I did so many rallies also, vegetarianism rallies. Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, entire south. So in these rallies, I learned so many things. To teach everyone, teaching is the best way of learning. So when I'm going to teach, I am learning every day. A transformation is happening inside me, like a lotus flower. So when I realized myself, I'm a spirit, I'm a soul, I'm a God. Yes, my dear friends, we are all energy beings. We have so many lifetimes. We must know about spiritual science. science of meditation, science of enlightenment. Meditation is the gateway of spiritual science. Breath is the source of energy. We are doing everyday bathing for our physical body purpose, to cleaning purpose, and also we are sleeping every day for our mind empty purpose. So same like that, we must practice meditation to get energy to the soul. Breath is the source of energy. There is a lot of cosmic energy inside and outside also. So to getting that energy to activate our physical body, so we must practice meditation to observe the breath, be with the breath. Every day we must practice as per one's age. Anapanasati meditation. 2500 years ago, Lord Buddha given this greatest wisdom. It's a technique to go inside. Meditation. Anapanasati meditation. Observing the breath. Natural breath. Peaceful breath. So much of meditation, so much of practicing and reading books, so much of listening others' experiences, I realized so much. So I want to share this experience too. For this reason, must practice meditation every day. This is very, very important to every human being on this earth planet, to live happily. We are here for happiness. We are here for not by default. We are here for design, our own design. We create our own reality. So, must practice meditation to know about yourself. Thank you, my dear friends. Thank you.